Can Grüns replace a multivitamin? Learn about Can Grüns replace a multivitamin and how greens gummies can help. The rise of Grüns, a game-changing supplement. What are greens gummies? Greens gummies have taken the health and wellness industry by storm with their promise of providing essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in a convenient and delicious way. Made from high-quality ingredients and featuring a unique blend of superfoods, greens gummies aim to provide the same benefits as a traditional multivitamin supplement, but with a fun and tasty twist. The benefits of greens gummies. Nutrient-rich ***. Greens gummies are packed with a broad range of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are vital for maintaining optimal health. Easy to take ***. Unlike traditional multivitamin supplements, Grüns gummies are chewable and come in a variety of delicious flavors, making them a pleasure to consume. Want in? Try Grüns VIP today. The link is in the description.